For this stretch, sit yourself down on the floor so your bottom is touching the wall and your legs up to the ceiling. To start with, just rest on your elbows with your legs up the wall. Flex and point your feet. Feel the stretch change when you flex versus when you point. Push through your knees, keep your legs straight and strong. To increase the stretch, push up onto your hands, pushing your chest closer to your knees. Make sure you keep your knees straight and strong. Try to get your chest to your knees while you keep flexing and pointing. Thanks for watching our magic wall stretch video. For more videos like this, resources, inspiration, and even online classes, follow us at the WA Performance School.